Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Loving. Today I'm going to show you how to make my version of beef stew. I'm using the ingredients for like a beef bourguignon basically, so you can call it whatever you want. But anyway, sigla. Start with the oil. Then we start with the onions. While waiting for the onions to saute, let's start with our meat, which is chopped, and the flour. I'm just gonna coat it. Well, it should be in the flour here, and then coat and do not make a mess, like I just did. Okay, while the onions, don't let them cook too much, but anyway. We got our coated meat. Boom, ouch, I just touched the oil. Okay, let this cook until it gets nice and brown.
Nice. So they have to become brown.
Yeah.
Good. And then after we put this bad boy over here, right? Cabernet Sauvignon.
Cabernet Sauvignon, whatever you say.
Sauvignon. So we're cooking French today.
Wait, I don't even know if I pronounced it right.
Bourguignon beef stew. Alright, I'm already hungry.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Okay, these are nice and brown. Time to put the Cabernet Sauvignon.
Yeah, I'm having difficulties again with the camera. It's very too much. Okay.
Beautiful.
Fog.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, let's put it all. Yeah.
Alright, fine, I'll put it all then.
Why not?
Yeah,
Why
the wine
not,
gives
right?
a wonderful taste.
Give a nice taste.
Gonna let this.
Alright.
So we have our vegetables.
Nicely.
There you go.
Alright. Give it a good stir. Okay, so we'll wait until this one soften and we'll continue. Say bye for now. So while waiting, because the meat takes about 5 hours to cook, we're making some toast, right, Jonathan?
Yeah.
We're hungry. So this is gonna be actually put after we cook. It's gonna be moved and then slow cook for about 4 or 5 hours. So
yeah.
It's not gonna be ready for dinner. Okay, let's go for the next. Go.
Okay, so here we have this.
Let's put
bay
everything.
leaves.
Bay leaves. Nice. That is gonna give a fantastic taste.
We
What
have
else?
tomato puree.
Tomato puree. I like when we just mix things together.
Yeah, it's the easiest recipe.
Yes, put everything together. What else?
We have some dried tomato.
Some dried tomatoes. And
We
then
have Worcestershire sauce.
the Worcestershire sauce. Too many S.
We have
The beef
stock.
stock cubes or whatever. Oh, this is what.
There you go.
Yeah, that's right. That's it. And it's gonna melt to give good taste. I'll tell you, it doesn't look very nice now, but the taste
Like
is gonna
jelly.
be
Looks like jelly actually.
yeah, jelly, like Coke jelly or something, Coca-Cola.
There you go.
All right, and then we
So
got
here we have beautiful thyme.
thyme. So a lot of times, put it more, put a little bit more. Okay. Oh, I can hear the nice toasty being made.
We have dried rosemary.
Look at the beautiful selection of color over there.
Yes.
Good. And then we put some.
Look at that jiggle.
Yeah, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And then we put
And then we have salt to season. Taste.
That's not salt, that's black pepper.
Yeah, that's what I meant. That's right.
So what do we have there? Carrots,
So here we have
celery,
yeah, we have carrots,
and mushroom.
celery, and mushroom.
Okay. Right. So we'll let it continue cooking for the moment being. Let's get our toast. I think our toast are ready. This is just a snack during. I will do this. I will twist them. Can you twist them?
It's with Mexican cheese.
Yeah. I think they're done actually.
Okay, so
We need to put,
the water inside here, and according to my mom, it has to be 2 inches above. So
2 inches. Okay, let's figure out. Let's start.
Yeah.
This is.
Tell me when to stop.
I think you can go. You can go. You can go. Probably need more water also.
Okay, that should be enough.
Should be enough. Is it 2 inches? Should we measure that? We are very peculiar here. Let's measure 2 inches. No, actually the idea is that you put enough water because when you put in the slow cook, it will absorb, so you don't want to make it too dry.
Yeah.
I suppose you can add water after during the slow cooking, I guess. Maybe not.
Or not, according to... Yeah.
According to the chef here.
No, according to that chef.
Hey, let's get those toasts. Those toasts are done now.
Yeah,
so let's go for it.
Show them the food. No, I meant this. This. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
What is that? That's not part of the beef stew, isn't it? It's just a dinner while cooking dinner.
Even the chefs get hungry.
Okay, this is just a bonus for you guys. Let's see.
Yeah, this is a perfect cut.
Let's see.
That's
a nice melted cheese.
that cut is...
That's better than the grilled cheese that Gordon Ramsay did.
Yo! I mean, it does look... Oh, that
That's
grease.
wonderful.
Okay.
Should we go back to the beef stew or what? Okay. So we wait until it boils a little bit and then we move into the slow cooking.
Yeah.
Right. Let's have a break now.
Okay, it is time to move them. It's big.
Pay attention because that's the lunch for tomorrow. Alright, so that's the slow cook.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn this to low. Well, I think low heat, I guess it is. So this will take 3 to 4 hours. It will probably be overnight, but it's gonna taste fantastic.
So we're gonna cook it, we're gonna turn it off when it's done, and then we'll continue tomorrow for lunch. We'll do the testing tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's cook it for 3-4 hours, even 5. The beautiful things about this, it doesn't burn it.
Yeah.
Alright, later.
So, as you can see here, it is done. The meat is really, really, really tender.
Okay?
Okay, let's try.
Let's try how it is. Let's show the tenderness of the meat.
Oh.
It just melts, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just show again, sorry. The piece.
Got that piece. Don't even have to put any force. A baby could eat this.
So we try some mashed potato with salt, pepper and chives. Okay. How's the taste?
Terrible. No, I'm joking.
It's a good combination.
Yeah, it is a good combination. Let's try the carrots because obviously. Okay, so this was my beef bourguignon sort of
stew, yes.
beef stew. Yeah. If you want the recipe for the mashed potatoes, it was just boiled potatoes, milk, butter, salt and pepper, and
Chives.
chives. Yes, chives. But I mean, this meat is as tender as you can get.
Well, buon appetito.
Mm-hmm.
Alla
Ciao.
prossima.
Alla prossima. Ciao.